Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard using custard powder. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients and essential kitchen tools. You will need about 2 tablespoons of custard powder, 2 cups of milk, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Make sure you have a medium saucepan and a whisk handy. This guide will help you create a smooth, creamy dessert every time, perfect for any occasion. Now, let's prepare our custard base. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of custard powder with 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Gradually add about 1/4 cup of cold milk, stirring constantly. It is crucial to whisk this mixture until it forms a completely smooth paste, free of any lumps. This initial step is vital for achieving a silky smooth custard later on, so take your time and mix it well. Next, we move to the cooking stage. Heat 1 3/4 cups of milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it just begins to simmer. Once hot, slowly pour your prepared custard paste into the simmering milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Keep stirring for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the custard thickens to your desired consistency. It should be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon beautifully. Your delicious homemade custard is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it warm, which is wonderfully comforting, or chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour for a refreshing cold dessert. Feel free to add a garnish like fresh berries or a light dusting of nutmeg to enhance its appeal. Leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days, ready for another delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.